Hello and welcome again to BATUK Storytime. Tonight we have Meg and Mog. Always fun. Meg and Mog by Helen, Nicoll and Jan Pienkowski. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Once upon a time there was a witch called Meg. Here she is, lying in her bed. At midnight, the owl hooted 3 times and woke her up. Oh, twit-woo, twit-woo, twit-woo. She got out of bed to dress for the spell party. Here we've got the owl and Meg just getting herself awake. She put on her black stockings, her big black shoes, her long black coat, and her tall black hat. Look at her as she gets herself dressed and ready for the spell party. She went down the stairs to cook breakfast. Clip clop. In the kitchen lay her big striped cat called Mog. He was fast asleep. Can you see Mog sleeping at the bottom? And Meg coming down the stairs. Meg trod on Mog's tail. Meow! Oh, poor Mog. She does not look very happy. She took out of her cupboard 3 eggs, bread, cocoa, milk, a kipper and some jam. She put it all in her cauldron and stirred it up. Bubble, bubble. Yum. There was plenty of breakfast for everyone, for the owl, for Meg and for Mog. They all look very happy eating their breakfast. At 1 o'clock, she got her broomstick and her cauldron and a spider, and she flew up the chimney with Mog. Up and away they go, had their breakfast. Up in the sky, she met her friends going to the party. Jess and Bess, Tess and Cress. Can you see them all on their broomsticks? They landed on a hill in the moonlight to make the spell. Each of them had brought something to put into the cauldron. There you go, the moon shining, lots of stars, and there they all are on the top of the hill. This is what they put in: a frog, a beetle, a worm, a bat and a spider. There they all go into the pot. Abracadabra! They all stirred the cauldron as they chanted their spell. Frog in a bog, bat in a hat, snap, crackle, pop, and fancy that. Can you say abracadabra? There was a flash and a bang. Boom! Something had gone wrong. Ooh, look at that. All I can see is lots of witches' hats flying. Bess, Jess, Tess and Cress all changed into mice, and Mog chased them. I'll have to change them back next Halloween. There's Mog chasing the 4 mice that used to be witches, and Meg flying off, coming up with a plan to change them back. Goodbye. So that's goodbye from Meg and Mog, and good night from me. Till next time.